Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So as of July 11th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 33577. We're down about 1.4% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $29.8 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.3 million. Let's look at what's going on with the holder count. So if we're looking at the holder count, of course it has decreased a little bit, but the main thing that we can see is it continues to stay above that 15,000 holder count, which is of course a great thing to point out right now. If we're looking at their Twitter as of now, of course there's no announcements, which is something that I've been pretty not happy about. There's not much announcement coming out of ladies, but the only thing that I really like is that the community power is huge, and at the end of the day, that is one of the most important things for a project to be successful. As far as the team goes, they do need to really get a little bit more serious in terms of engaging with their following, but other than that, not much has changed. But now let's take a look at the price and see what really is happening with the price right now. So if we're looking at the market cap, as I've said, currently sitting at $29.9 million. Has anything changed compared to what we were examining just on the 8th of July? So what you can see is the price has pretty much been consolidating and starting to trade sideways around this range. And of course, if you guys remember, this is a level of resistance that is coming on our way as we do go towards the upside. We did see that obviously on 8th of July as well, before we did see this move towards the upside where the price went up to that 3839 cents mark. Since then, we pretty much been we've literally retested that level of support, but this time around that support is playing out and we've started to see the price really hang around within this range. You can see if I zoom in for you guys and give you guys a better look as to what really is happening, you can see this for yourself. Let me bring this out. There you go. So look, we've been pretty much trading sideways around this range now. So what we need now, and of course everyone wants to see the breakout. When is the breakout going to happen? Only way we could see a breakout happening for the price of ladies is, we do need to see more volume coming in. The amount of volume that we're seeing for ladies right now is quite low. But nonetheless, I do like that, we're still holding above, our July 7th low, which was at that 3084 cents mark, and that is a nice indication in my opinion. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since then the price is still up about 10%, so that is a great thing to see. That is a nice thing to see. And that's the beauty of doing analysis, because now if we're looking at it from that low, that time insane amount of sell-off happening, a lot of weakness, but since then the price is up 10%. So could this be a starting and a turning point for the price of ladies to really start retesting that 4526 cents mark, where we need to break above? In my opinion, that is a huge level of resistance, and we can clearly see the importance of that. After losing that support line, we did see a significant pullback for the price of ladies. To be exact, we saw retracement of about 31.5%, but it goes back to what I've said from the beginning. It is a small cap coin. These projects can be manipulated really fast, and these are some things that you need to realize. Just because Ethereum or what's another example, Ethereum, VeChain, Cardano are not as being volatile. Why is Milady's being more volatile? Because it has a small market cap, higher risk, higher reward. People that invest in low cap coins, they generally are, accepting more risk. And now if you're looking at my video and saying, wait, I'm not going to be taking a lot of risk, then guess what? That is an indication that Ladies is not for you, or not any other project. No, I'm sorry, it goes to say for any other project with a low market cap as well. They might not be for you. But if we're looking at that, a great momentum, that does show me that there is some sort of strength coming in, because the price hasn't retested the June 7th lows. So that is where I see whether or not we are seeing weakness or not. But obviously compared to that time frame, we are seeing obviously strength coming in the price of Ladies. But what's happening with Bitcoin now? So when is the price of Ladies going to retest the ninth highs? So as you can see, we did go all the way up to that 3825 cents mark. So from the June 7th lows, we saw a pump of about 23%, which is quite impressive. And since then, obviously, it has retested about 11.2% since then, which is quite normal, because right now, if we're looking at Bitcoin is showing a lot of volatility within its price. You can see this for yourself. Sometimes we see Bitcoin go up to 31,500. Sometimes we see it at 30, 31, 30. So you guys can get a really good understanding that there is a lot of manipulation going on right now, a lot of sideways momentum. I can't speak, I'm sorry, please bear with me on that. But this is really causing the entire market to kind of lag behind it, because dominance on the other hand is starting to pick up. So that is the current state of the market. But hopefully, I'm really hopeful that this week, hopefully, we do see the price of Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, and I'm sorry, not an all-time high, a new yearly high. And I really do believe that could be a turning point for a lot of altcoins and meme coins. And I could see, Ladies retesting that zone that we're talking about. And if we're able to break out of that 3789 cents mark, obviously the high that we set for ourselves on, just 2 days back, that would, I think, be a turning point. So for us to really start retesting the 4525 cents mark, and I think things can start looking really, really great for Ladies from there. Now, but again, these are some factors that we need to keep in mind, especially, when we're examining Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to go back below 30K, you need to remember Ladies will react to that, and I could see the price of Ladies also dropping to those levels that we set in July 9th, and possibly even lower than that. So these are some factors you need to keep in mind. Other than that, that is it for today's update. Not bad compared to obviously last week, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think is happening? Are you guys agreeing with me on this? Do you guys have a different outlook? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.